Alright, so a couple of days ago, I received an email saying that my PayPal had got some money. I totally lost and thought to myself, what the heck? Was this a scam or something? Or was this money sent by you guys? Because my viewers are rich people. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. You will get rich this year. All jokes aside, turns out that this money was the commission from xTool, because I'm an affiliate of the xTool website, and I sold more than 8 units of the xTool D1 Pro. That is very interesting because the only video I did for the xTool was the xTool M1, not even the D1 Pro. So I was really curious to know what it is really about. And here it is. Special thanks to xTool for sending the unit, and along with a bunch of other accessories. I'm not getting paid for this video, and I will be totally honest with you. So videos will be in 2 parts. This one is just for the unboxing and first impression, and the detailed one, like I will compare it with the D1 and also some other laser engravers I've reviewed before. That one will be in the next video. By the way, this video is by no means a tutorial video or something, because I've seen the xTool did a really detailed one about that. So yeah, you can check it out if you are interested. I'll be using a timer to record like how long it's gonna take from unboxing to fully assembled. So let's get started. I like the red stuff. We love red stuff. We wear red underwear, wear red hats, we wear red clothes. I like red stuff. I just love it. This is gigantic. This is magnetic. Alright, the last step is insert the SD card. Okay. Congratulations, you have completed the installation. Okay, then I stop. 50 minutes from unboxing to fully assembled. The actual time should be much less than this because I installed it and I talked to the camera. Also, check the camera to see if it has problem or the battery is sometimes gone, so have to reconnect. So yeah, I guess should be like maybe 30 minutes should be enough. 30 minutes or 40 minutes is enough. If you have to ask like what's the most difficult part, I think is that cable connection. It's just because it's just too narrow space. You have to squeeze a little bit. But yeah, nothing too complicated. As long as you just follow the steps one by one, should be very easy. Alright, so if you have to ask my first impression of the D1 Pro, I got 2 things to say. First is its build quality. I know it's not a cheap laser engraver, but when you see the build quality, the aluminum alloy, frame, it's worth the money. It's just so well built. It's premium, high-end. It's not a toy, to be honest, just crazy good. Whether the D1 Pro or the D1 I've unboxed before. Second is I do hope it has less steps for installation compared to the Mr. Carver M1 or the Laser Picker 2. Those laser engravers are almost ready to go out of the box. That this one is still, take like 30 or 40 minutes to assemble it. But I can see the logic here because it has a larger working area, and like I said, it's not a toy. This is like take it to the serious DIY stuff. So I can see it's worth the time to assemble. The air assistance set. Alright, you got a manual, a pipe. Wow, that looks unique. Air pump. Alright, I've never seen an air pump like this. Definitely I'm gonna use it for some time and tell you it's good or not, because my impression of the air pump should be like the one I tested on the Mr. Carver, right? That one. But this one, small, heavy, and seems no way to use it. Anyway, rotary attachment to Pro. Alright, okay. That is it. Alright, that's all for today. We unboxed and assembled the xTool D1 Pro and also checked out their cool accessories, the pump and the rotary attachment. In the next detail review video, I will test every bit of it, like how to use, like what's my user experience, and how about the engraving results, you know, every detail. And if you want to know something about them, just leave your comments below and I will test it for you. By the way, xTool just said to me they're ready to give away several xTool D1 Pros and also its accessories in that video, in my next detail review video. Yeah, I'm super excited, so please subscribe so you won't miss it. All right. Yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.